I wasn't sleeping, according to my wife. I didn't actually know that I had a problem because I never woke up with my problem. But she said I would wake up gasping and she would elbow me and get me awake so I would start breathing again. And then when I was in for my surgery to have a ruptured appendix, they picked this up in the hospital that I was having problems. And they wanted me to get a CPAP. And I tried that, and oh man, that is not the way to fly. All he had was a nose piece, and it was the most frustrating night I ever spent in my life trying to sleep. And I do not regret it. I am so happy with this that I couldn't recommend it high enough. Couldn't. It is wonderful. But my wife's life has changed tremendously. She said she still can't get used to sleeping with no noise. She said she's thinking about turning a radio on all night with snoring on it, because that's what she got used to for 17 years, was me snoring, and I don't snore anymore. If anybody is having problems with sleep, I would recommend that they would come here first. I wouldn't even take a CPAP machine. I'd just drive out here and let them fit you with an appliance, and I don't snore anymore.